a fish farming tank project at the College of Aquaculture and Fishery, 𝐾 University. Partially sponsored by Aqua Mina, was initiated in September 2024 and has now been put into operation. The project consists of 6 elevated round tanks, constructed using welded steel mesh frames and 0.75 mm HDPE liners. These tanks have been strategically installed within the university's aquaculture model area, serving as a valuable resource to support students in their academic studies and hands-on training in aquaculture practices.